Here's how it runs. See, and that's still wrong because the tires came off the tracks again. So that's and make sure it's, yep, so they're still not moving. All right, now I want to adjust these little guys here so that they are near the blade but not touching him. So I'm going to just kind of push them in like that and then run the blade and then tighten down these set screws. All right, so hearing a little bit of friction there. Let's see which side it's hitting. Looks like it's hitting this guy. Oh, looks like I was wrong. Or maybe it's hitting both. Maybe I bumped it earlier when setting this screw. Because I think these little supports that surround the blade, I think they're supposed to be just behind the actual teeth of the blade. And I don't think they are. So I believe the set screw for that is right here. We've got a similar mechanism for adjusting that on this little wheel here. So this is the wheel we used, or no, this is the wheel we used for this one. We use this little wheel back here, so it's lower and further in to adjust these guys. So they go in and out like that based on this wheel, but this wheel doesn't do anything unless I release the set screw. Actually, it looks like it's completely out of place. So I'm adjusting this screw right now. So here's the screw that I'm adjusting. And there's a little wheel right there that's supposed to be in between this guy. So it's supposed to be in that little slit there. I don't know if you can see it. Right in there. And so this guy, as you adjust this one in and out, it's supposed to move this guy in and out as well. So let me see what I can do about getting that in the right place. I just removed this screw. I just took this screw out from there, and that allows me to push this guy all the way back there. And then I can just set, whoa. And I can just set this screw in that groove so that as I adjust it in and out, it'll actually do something. Should be able to see this part moving in and out as I adjust him. Okay, and so now I want these little pieces here that surround the blade, or they're supposed to surround the blade. They're not even next to the blade really right now. I want them to be just behind the teeth of the blade. So there they are in line with the teeth of the blade. So I want them back a little bit so that they are not interfering with the teeth of the blade. To about there, I think. I think it's right here. I think it's this one right here. Right here. Turn it on. That seems to work. Seems pretty smooth. I like to start down here around the dust port, snap it in. And just make sure that's on. And then these sides should snap in relatively easily. Well, that's not good. the belt is just kind of hanging there, and the wheel on which the belt from the motor connected to the bandsaw flew off over there. Apparently there's a set screw there that was not tightened enough, I'm presuming, because otherwise it wouldn't have flown off like that. Alright, let me see if I can fix that. Let's see, I'm guessing the set screw is the same size as all the other ones that I've been using. Nope, it's different. See if there's a lip or something on this that I'm not. Oh yeah, there is. Right there. Okay. I just didn't see that. But there's a channel on here, which is where this channel matches up. And that's where the set screw goes down. That makes sense. So let's see if I can match those up. Get it in that way. Still doesn't feel like it wants to go on very nicely. Because I don't want to push him too close to here and I don't want him too far out. So I just want him in line with the motor for the belt, or the belt for the motor, so that they're at the same level. That should work, I hope. So I'll tighten this guy down. I think what I must have done is, oh, looks like I've got him out of alignment now as I wiggled him on, or maybe as I was putting the belt on. Let's see. All right. So now with that motor loosened, I've got lots of slack in the belt. And so just remove that guy. Hopefully wiggle this guy back into place. Okay. And I'm gonna put that set screw in that channel a little bit. Is this the right one? Yeah. That should work.